What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. And for today's video, first of all, before I even start with it, I want to thank you guys. We just reached 5,500 subscribers and I appreciate each and every one of you. For today's video, we actually have a package from circuithero, and if you guys know, a while back circuithero worked with us, and basically they sponsored a video where they sent me out the shifter plate for the EK hatch where your shift boot would go. The shifter plate is there. I'll actually put a card up here for where you can see the video. And now that I have the RSX, we've been in contact, we've been talking, and we decided that we're gonna do from today's video the package that they're gonna send me out the, I believe it's the spark plug cover, the aluminum one, the one that has like all the holes on them or whatever. Because I do have the Jun Valve cover and it looks nice, but I think the aluminum not the aluminum, like the one that they have that's made out of like that metal color, it might be just aluminum, and it has the punch out holes in the middle for the spark plug cover. It's gonna go well with the car or with the valve cover that I have, the Jun Valve cover. So we've been in contact, and they, like I said, they worked before with the EK hatch. We're gonna work now with the RSX. So let's go ahead and jump to this unboxing and let's see what we got in here. Okay guys, so I had to get some scissors to open it up. So here we go, just regular boxing. Take out the wrapping. We have some stickers here, which I'm definitely gonna put in the car. Circuithero's been around for a while, guys. Circuithero's been around for a minute. And we have a very cool little badge that they send over. This is the Circuithero genuine badge, just kind of like the authenticity of the stuff. Where's my focus point on this camera? It's so weird. I think it's there. There you go. So this is the badge that they send out. Pretty cool. I really appreciate you guys for sending that out. And this is what we have. Actually, it also comes with the hardware. Comes with all the little bolts and everything. You guys can see it there. And it does have the stickers. So let's move the box to the side. That's pretty much it in there. And we have, and this piece actually looks pretty cool. Okay, so just your raw metal, just that raw looking metal. This is something that you could either powder coat and get it to the color that you want, or you could just leave it in this color. For me, I believe I might just leave it in this color, or maybe I'll get this powder coat. I'm not really sure. You can see here, punch out holes, 4 of them, and the rest of the holes for where your screws would go. So this is pretty cool. This is gonna replace the OEM one, the black one that I got from my boy Sergio. And this is gonna look very nice. So actually, let's go ahead into the car and let's get an installation going, because yeah, can't wait to put this and match it up with the Jun Valve cover. Let's go. Excuse me today, but there is crazy amount of wind. So this is what we're gonna be, this is what is gonna be, the black one is what we're gonna be replacing, but this is what should go here. And I think it's gonna look amazing. I cannot wait until we see it on. I think it's gonna look great. So let's go ahead with the installation, show you guys how to remove it. It's very simple. You know, if you're a car guy, you should be knowing how to do this, and if you don't, then you need to, because this is all 4 little bolts, but I'll guide you through it real quick. So the only thing that you need to remove is just those 4. It's a size 10, and we'll get into a time lapse so you can see real quick how easy it is. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so there it is off. It's very dirty, so let me go get a wipe so we can wipe it off. Now remember, when you are removing the cover, you are removing the bolts. Well, you're removing this bolt right here. You're also removing this one right here from the 2 ignition coils. Now this one, the hardware is here, and you guys can see it. It brings an Allen key one, and it brings the normal one. So I brought the Allen keys here, and I do have the ratchet there. So let me go ahead and clean that. We'll be back. Okay, so we did run into a little problem, and I'll tell you why, because it does complete in the kit, and I'll show you around what it is. So this right here gets in the way. Basically, this hard plastic right here gets in the way. You're gonna have to remove that plastic, and it does come with the adapter or the little spacers, which are these right here. Because when you put the screw that comes with it, and like I said again, I'm sorry for the wind, this is, the adapter will be for this, because this obviously is thick. It has like a, you can see it there. You don't want the piece to sit too low and then not be able, you know, scratch it over the valve cover. So it does come with the adapter. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all this. Gotta unplug all the coils now. I'm gonna remove all this, gotta unplug the coils, and then we should be able to put it on, and it should look amazing. Okay, so this is kind of what it would look like. It's definitely not as easy at it as it seems, because I'm putting the spacer on in the bottom, then I got the little washer with the Allen head screw. I have it there, and I have to line up the washer with this one, and I'm being like super careful not to get anything on the valve cover or get a scratch or whatnot. So it's gonna be a little bit. Okay, so I just made a mistake. You want to make sure that you leave these on. This is the ones for the OEM one. You gotta take the top little nut off, and you gotta put these back on in order for you to put it on. Other than that, let's go ahead and continue the installation, and we should be golden. So that is it. That's how it looks. It definitely looks a lot better than the black one. All I had to do was move this little bracket a little bit to the side. Now I cleaned up the valve cover a little bit. Now I just gotta hit it up. It's got a little bit of scuff here and there. Gotta hit it up, polish it out, and everything should look great. Jun Valve cover, circuithero, spark plug cover, looks amazing.